Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and good afternoon all of you, and my dear Dr. Hisham and all my colleagues. Today I present about our SolidWork for the lab for using for this lab. So basically, we are using for the instruction. So we're drawing the sketch for the for the first part. We draw the create how to create it from the 2D object and the same shown the figure out and extrude this drawing. So basically I use the parameter from the upper side and bottom side. So from the bottom side we're using 26 the parameter, using the parameters 26, and the other one we use it it's like 32, so we can how to illustrate the dimension. For the second one how to be selecting front of the object, drawing the rectangular oval. So about the rectangular oval, so we're using how to use it the dimension xyz. So we try from the fiction, we do use the smart parameter. From the smart parameter we try to draw the dimension from the upper side and bottom side. So we use the smart parameter using the exact parameter exactly in the same time. So it gives us like 10 milli mm, and the other one you should do 22, and the other one you should illustrate the instruction 2. For instruction 3, we select the front face of the object and draw the circle with the 14.5. So this one actually show how it's quite complex. How to draw the hole according to the parameter inside the object. So basically when you're making the hole from the XYZ, the upper lower is more complex. So we're using the drawing the circuit. We draw after we saw the 3D, we see the parameter from the upper side is be 14.5. So we follow the extrude the figure and be selected throughout all. For the part 4, so we it's just you just adjust one button from the rectangular from be extrude the 10 milliampere. So while we're using this one, use the fixture from the left side. So he just asks us to use the blind and follow the instruction at the same time. For the step 5, so we try to make the fillet option. The fillet option just only asks us to do 5.0 milliampere milli. So we make the similar object, and then we make it from the upper side, then making the whole as we conclude. For the dimension and straight for number 6, so we click the bottom surface and showing the figure below the drawing concept about the line top curve. So this one it means the complex, it gives us more the parameter, but all the parameter is accuracy, but for the step example 6 is one is more complex. The whole is mean like we shown the previous dimension, and then we exclude and make it directly in the same time. For the step 7, we need to circle it. We need to circle the top and the blend. So we need to make the object as the whole wizard. So basically when you see the whole wizard, we go to the feature, and then we use the whole wizard from this one. So directly he give us the figure, and then we go making the whole. So we use the second feature from this side, how to use the throw from the mml and the nil. We use the ISO, so it basically gives us all the parameter and the same accuracy. For the last part, for 8, he gives us how to find the mass property. For the mass property, it gives us like making the result accuracy. As we're showing that the density, the mass is given like 4.5 CV2, and the volume, surface area, the center of the mass is given as XYZ. All the parameters has been considered, and then we need it all at the same time. For the part 9, so we create the paper sheet of the print. The For the paper sheet of the print, okay. For the paper sheet, so according to using for the exercise 9, so we just try to go to the paper sheet. So the paper sheet use give us all the parameter at the same time. So all of it is like considered, I don't know, because it's small, very small. It's very small, and the paper sheet we're using how to make it accuracy and write the name for the group, and then we just make it the same coordinate we as this as a part, a symbol part we're using for this lab we using for this project. So this for, I think, for this and for this session, I think we already covered all for all the simulation in each part. Thank you so much. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.